What is going on, family? Cribs here. We need to have a discussion. And it's on these beard product kits, these sample kits that are offered in this community. I think it's a discussion we need to have if it's worth it or not. And I have found a company that actually does it right. So hang tight, enjoy the intro, and I will see you in just a second. Welcome back. Now, this conversation that we're going to have and some of the points that I'm bringing up are probably going to ruffle some feathers. That's not what this video is for. This is just from the consumer side, and this is what my channel is about. This channel is about supporting small batch businesses. It's about supporting my bearded community, my brothers, my sisters that are involved with beards and in barbecue and anything else. But right now we're talking about beard products. And it's the sample kits that are offered or no longer offered. And I get it, guys. You guys that are these amazing mix masters of these products that I love and that we love to put in our beards, it's a pain in the butt to individually package the little tiny, anywhere from a 1 mil, 5 mil, 10 mil bottle of oil, package them and then get them out. But I think it is so beneficial to us as consumers. If I want to try your whole lineup, or let's say 5 to 10 of your oils, I want to be able to do that. And I hope that they don't come in something that looks like this. I mean, come on. That right there, I think is a 1 mil. That isn't even going to be half of a use of a day for me for my beard. It's just not. But the 10 mils, I think, are absolutely amazing for products for us to use, for us to get an idea. If I want to do a review on a company and I can't afford, or if the company is not willing to send me 10 full-size 1-ounce oils that I can try out, at least give me enough of the product and the scent profiles as well to go with it that I can try them out. And I can get a good idea if I want to invest more of my money, because you're looking anywhere from what, for a bottle of oil, let's just say $15 to $25 for a bottle of oil. And that's a 1 ounce. And I know that's all over the place. And I know there are different options for the 2 ounce and companies that do $12 bottle of oils. But I mean, if I don't like the product, I don't want to waste a whole ounce of oil. So that's what this video is about. And I found a company that does it right. Jeff, of Effect Beard Company. Him and I basically met through messaging of just loving on each other, through loving the United States of America, loving barbecue and just being brothers. And I found out that he does beard products as well. And I bought some of his, a sample kit of his, and I think it's absolutely amazing. So we're going to dive into this. Let me show you his card first. Effect Beard Co. And I really hope you guys get hold of him. He's on Facebook. He's on Twitter. He's on Instagram. And it's what is it? The effectbeard.com. Effect, AFFECT. Sent me a wonderful thank you letter. And I'm going to put a photo. His photo is on the back here of his family. But I want to put that photo up somewhere on here so you guys can see what a beautiful family he has. Jeff doesn't even know that I'm doing a review basically for him or giving him some love, but that's what this channel is about. This channel is about supporting these small batch companies, or these companies that deserve some love, deserve some recognition. And the small platform that I have, at least I can give him some love and have some people reach out and get hold of his company to see. But let's get into this. Yeah, let's just show you right off the bat. I've got some notes down here is why I'm looking down. I really wanted to do it right. Effect Beard Company Beard Oil Kit. It's got the ingredients on there. It's got his website. Made in the USA, Farmington, Utah. Let me just show you. I opened up 1 or 2 of these just so I can get a sniff of it. But that is his sample kit, y'all. 8, 10 milliliter, dropper top, the way it should be. I'll show you his little labels are on point. It's got the ingredients listed on it. It's got the scent profiles listed on it. They are a dropper top, child safety to boot. And you can see. And it's full. That's how a sample kit could be. That's how it should be. That's how it should be when I buy some products. Let me just show you that as well. Isn't that cool? All for a sample kit. Nice job. Let me just tell you some of the profiles that he has here. I guess I have them written down. I don't need to look at those like that. But man, when I saw that and when I grabbed that and when they showed up in the mail, I'll tell you what, it was like 2 days and I had this kit here. He didn't mess around. And he does this part-time. He's actually works full-time for his family's fiberglass shop, and he does this part-time. This is a part-time company, and it's offered. We have, excuse me, 8 of them. Barbershop, Cologne, Crisp Mountain Woods, Unwind, Tropical Paradise, Western Cowboy, Spice Citrus, and an all-natural unscented. That's amazing. So I wanted to give him a shout out. But not only, guys, does he offer a 10 mil 8 scent profile sample pack with dropper tops that is child safety in this amazing, amazing package and box. There is also another sample kit that he has. Beard butter. Now, let me tell you, this, bravo, Jeff. I'm telling you what, man, I am so happy that this is out there. Let me just open that up for you. Check that out, y'all. 8 half-ounce butters as well that are all sealed up, that are labels on top. And this man works full time. I mean, talk about what I always say, make moves, don't make excuses. Thank you, Jeff, for taking care of us. Let me get this off here. Garbage. Get that garbage off of there. Let's just see. Check it out. Now, I haven't dove into these because right now I'm doing some other projects and some other reviews for some companies, but this I just had to share with you guys because I think this is how it's done right. Not only do you get oil, but you have an option of trying out the butters as well. Now, for each kit, let's get into the prices. $25 for 2 ounces of oil that are packaged correctly, sealed up correctly, that you can use and actually get some use out of it. And $25 for, what is that, a half ounce? That's 4 ounces of butter that you can try together, everything together, and get a real good idea. Talk about transparency. That is awesome. So let's go over some of the oils for you here so you can understand what the ingredients are as well. For the oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, sweet almond oil, fractionated coconut, hemp seed oil, vitamin E, fragrance, and essential. Ingredients in the butter: mango butter, cocoa butter, fractionated coconut oil, sunflower seed oil, vitamin E, fragrance, and essential oils. Like I said, a half ounce each of the butters in each sample, and every scent profile that he has, and 10 ml, right? Yeah, 10 ml for basically 2 ounces of oil that you can match together and get a sense of how it feels with the oil and the butter. The complete package to give you what you need to see if you really want to step up. And $50. And what is that? You know, $50 for 8 oils and 8 butters that you can try out that you can actually use for, you know, a week, maybe a little bit longer. You can stretch it out. That's 1 oil and 1 butter from these other companies with freight. That is absolutely amazing. What else did I need to say? I think I've said enough. That's it. That's how sample kits should be done, should be available. If you're going to do it right. So I think he has 25 of the oils right now in stock and 12 sample kits of the butters in stock right now. So hit Jeff up, tell him Swag said hello. I don't have any discounts for you. He has a really good killer affiliate program as well that he just offers you right up if you want that with a discount code. But what an amazing company, man. And he's such a great guy. Love to have a conversation from you. He'd love to have one with you. Effect Beard Care. Leave some comments below if you've heard about this company, if you've tried it out, and what you think of the beard kits. What do you think of the sample kits? I would like to know. Let's crank it up, baby. As always, I love you. I'm proud of you. Go tell somebody that you love them. Go tell somebody that you're proud of them. Go forgive somebody of something that they've done to you. Go ask forgiveness. That's always the hard one. But as always, I love you. Cribs is out.